Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Honda CR-V EX. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Honda has less than 95,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include MP3 player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, moonroof, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows. Call 401-885-5355 to schedule a test drive and learn about our guaranteed financing options. Come in and see why we were awarded Dealer of the Year for 3 consecutive years in a row.